Hazrat Ka'ab bin Ujra radiyallahu anhu states, in the state of Ihram, I set out along with Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wa alihi wasallam, while my head and beard got infested with lice. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wa alihi wasallam was notified of it, so he sallallahu alaihi wa alihi wasallam sent for me a hairdresser who shaved my head. He sallallahu alaihi wa alihi wasallam then said, do you have any animal for sacrifice? I submitted, I cannot afford sacrifice. He sallallahu alaihi wa alihi wasallam then commanded me to observe 3-day fasting or feed 6 destitute people, 2 saw to every 2 destitute people. Allah Jalla Jalaluhu then revealed these verse, فَمَنْ كَانَ مِنْكُمْ مَرِيدًا أَوْ بِهِ أَذًى مِنْ رَاسِهِ. This command was exclusively for me, then it became general for all. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 2876.